Good morning, students. Today we are going to start how does evaporation cause cooling. You know, when we have water in a container, particles at the top having the high energy rather than the particle in the bottom. When these particles absorb energy from the surrounding, they go in the air in the form of vapors. So rest of the bulk of liquid having the lower energy in comparison to in previous stage. This is the reason it has low temperature, or we can say cooling of the bulk of the liquid take place due to the evaporation. The particles of liquid absorb energy from the surrounding to regain the energy lost during the evaporation. This absorb of energy from the surrounding make the surrounding cool. Now, next, what happen when you pour some acetone nail polish remover on your palm? What will happen? These are highly volatile substance. Volatile substance matlab they can evaporate at the room temperature. For evaporation, they want energy. They absorb energy from your palm. That's why you feel cool. After a hot sunny day, people sprinkle water on the roof or open ground because the large latent heat. What is the reason? When you sprinkle the water on the hot surfaces, the water start to evaporate. For the evaporation, it absorbs energy from the surface or from the surrounding, and in this way the surroundings and the surface get cooled down. So in this way, this sprinkling water over the hot surfaces is help to cool down the surfaces. Now another example, why should we wear cotton clothes in summer? Generally light colored cotton clothes we prefer to wear in the summer. What is the reason behind it? You know very well, light color clothes are good reflector of heat. And why they should be the cotton? Cotton is very good absorber of the sweat. When sweat absorbed by the cotton, it is spread over the large surfaces. Due to the large surface area, it evaporate, and for the evaporation take the energy from the surrounding, from your body. That's why you feel cool. This is the reason we have to wear cotton clothes during the summer. Now, another important question, why do we see water droplets on the outer surface of glass containing ice cold water? Listen very carefully. This is glass tumbler having ice pieces in it. Around this one air, and this air has water vapors. When this water vapor containing air collide with the surface of the glass tumbler, which are very cold due to the ice present in the glass. So this air containing water vapors strike over the surface. Water vapors of the air get condensed in the form of small droplets of water. This is the reason when we put ice cold water in a tumbler in the at atmosphere temperature, small water droplets is taking over the surface of the tumbler. Now another questions, some exercises are there in text exercise. Question number 1, why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day? Before going through this question, one important part is there. We use water to fill in the cooler, not any other coolant. What is the reason? Because water is easily available, cheaper substance, and most important part, water has very high heat of vaporization. So it absorb a large amount of energy for the evaporation. तो इसका जो cooling effect होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Now come to the question, why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day? जब hot dry day होता है तो एयर में मॉइस्चर बहुत कम होता है, ह्यूमिडिटी बहुत कम होती है. तो डेजर्ट कूलर का जो फंक्शन है वो होता है कि डेजर्ट कूलर गिव द एयर सैचुरेटेड विद वाटर वेपर्स. when this air saturated with water vapor strike your body surface, water vapors from your body take the heat from your body and again evaporate. So when they take energy from your body, you feel cool. If your surrounding already having the high humidity, this water vapors from your body can't be evaporate. So this is the reason desert cooler is work well in the hot dry day. Now you focus on these two daily life experience. Number one, in summers when you sit in the cooler you feel cool, but in the rainy season if you sit in the cooler you feel highly sweating. What is the reason? Because air given by the cooler is water saturated, and when this water strike to your body, these water vapors get condensed on your body. So, and due to the high humidity in the air, these water vapors cannot be evaporate again. This is the reason temperature is same in the rainy season or in the summer, but you feel more sweating in the rainy season in comparison to the summers. Another important point, water present in the cooler air, कूलर की जो हवा है उसमें जो वाटर वेपर्स प्रेजेंट है वो इन द वेपर फॉर्म में है. व्हेन दे स्ट्राइक टू योर बॉडी दे गेट कंडेंस्ड. ड्यूरिंग कंडेंसेशन दे रिलीज एनर्जी. सो if when you sit in the cooler in the rainy season you feel warm in comparison to the cool. So this is the reason desert cooler work well only in the hot dry day. Another question, how does the water kept in an earthen pot matka become cool during the summer? Earthen pot having the minute pores, so water oozes out from these pores. Due to the atmospheric air, this water evaporates, taking the energy from the bulk of the water present inside the earthen pot. That's why the pot water become cool down. Next question, why does our palm feel cold when we put some acetone or petrol or perfume on it? These three are volatile substances. When you put them on your palm, they, according to their nature, they evaporate and take the energy from your palm. That's why you feel cold. Next question, why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster than a saucer rather than a cup? First, you listen very carefully. When you sip anything from the cup or saucer, upper layer goes in your mouth. Is it clear? Only upper layer. And this upper layer having low temperature because due to large surface area in the saucer, it cool down more. It is cooler than the tea or milk present inside the cup or saucer. Cup has low surface area, but saucer has a higher surface area. So from the saucer more evaporation is there. So it become cooler in comparison to tea or milk present in the cup. Next question, what type of clothes should we wear in summer? As we discussed in the previous question, in the summer we have to wear light colored cotton clothes. Light color, good reflector of heat. Cotton clothes, good absorber of the sweat. So this water spread in a large area due to high surface area. It evaporates faster and give more cooling. Now come to the next topic. Other than these three general physical state of matter, solid, liquid and gas, scientists consider two more physical states of matter. That is, one is plasma, another is BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate. One by one we will discuss them. But we discuss only in detail only three, solid, liquid and gas, because in our daily life we only familiar with these three. Plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate physical state are not very common, so we will study them in very, very short. First is plasma state. At very high temperature, materials, generally neon and other gases which are very low reactivity, come in the ionized form, means they release electron from their outer surfaces. So, and the gas particle become ionized, get positive charge. Electrons are also there. So, at very high temperature, these ionized gas have very high kinetic energy and very, very high energy also. This is known as a plasma form. The state consists of super energetic and super excited particles. These particles are in the form of ionized gas. The fluorescent tube and neon sign bulbs consist of plasma. Naturally, this plasma state present in the sun. Sun is the source of energy, only source of the energy on the earth, and energy on the sun is due to this due to high energy of the sun. All the material in the sun present in the plasma form. The sun and the stars glow because of the presence of plasma in them. The plasma is created in stars because at very, very high temperature. So on our earth, generally we in our cooking stoves also we get the energy by burning the fuel. That is, fuel react with oxygen and release energy. But in the sun and in the stars, energy source is different. So they have crores of degree Celsius temperature, and at this temperature all the material present in sun and stars etc. All the material present in the form of plasma form, having very, very high kinetic energy. So plasma is almost gaseous form and very high energy form. All gases present, all the material present in the form of gas, and gases and all the material present in the form of ionized form. So this is the plasma form, and we get it very, very high temperature. Another is BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate. In 1920, no need to learn these two stages, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Only you remember 2 points. We get plasma at very high temperature and BEC at very, very low temperature. बस दो ही बातें याद रखनी है आपको. Bose-Einstein condensate in 1920, Indian physicist Satyendra Nath Bose had done some calculation for a fifth state of matter. Building on his calculation, Albert Einstein predicted a new state of matter, the BEC. In 2001, Eric Cornell, Wolfgang Kettering, and Carl E. Wieman of USA received Nobel Prize in Physics for achieving Bose-Einstein condensation, physical state of matter. BEC is formed by cooling a gas extremely low density. जिन गैसेस की डेंसिटी बहुत कम होती है उनको बहुत ज़्यादा कूल करके लिक्विफाई किया जाता है, और तब ये वाली स्टेज हमें मिलती है. डेंसिटी अबाउट 100,000 of the density of the normal air to super low temperature. Is it clear? So these two extreme cases, plasma and BEC. Normal 3 physical state present at the room temperature, but these two are climax. You get plasma at very high temperature and BEC at very, very low temperature. Now this chapter is finished, and you remember all the points what you have learned. ये सारे पॉइंट्स आपको याद करने हैं. जो भी दिक्कतें हैं यू कैन आस्क ऑन व्हाट्सएप और बाय पर्सनल फोन कॉल्स. थैंक यू.